Good people, today I'll be reviewing Gozo Ico. It says loyalty points clearing house and travel savings club on the blockchain. Usually people get rewarded for buying tickets for booking hotels, and oftentimes this reward get unused. Millions of dollars are being lost from that. Now Gozo platform hopes to make this better for travelers, for people who use hotels, and they will be able to use your reward point or your loyalty point to receive cryptocurrency. That is very nice and very good for travelers. So let's scroll down. It says Gozo is the industry first blockchain enabled loyalty point clearing house and travel savings club. By leveraging blockchain technology, Gozo is providing greater efficiency, liquidity, and travel savings to consumer. Now look at what here says. It says loyalty reward program, 360 billion loyalty reward points unredeemed, unclaimed, and 117 billion loyalty reward points every year. Look at that. Look at how much has not been claimed by people. But with a platform like Gozo, everyone will be able to claim their loyalty reward or loyalty points. Let's see more about the token. Now, this is the token details. The maximum supply is 3 billion. It's going to be pre-mined, and the hard cap is $16 million. The soft cap is $5 million, and the token price is 2 cents. And this is based on Stellar platform, and the abbreviation or the token name is Gozo. And this is the chart of how the pre-sale is going to go with the ICO on the 1st of October to November 30. $25,000 will be in circulation or will be contributed for the private sale, and it will come with a 30% bonus. Then later the pre-ICO sale and the 20% bonus. The public sale starts from November 15, and you can see 15% bonus, 10%, 5%, and no bonus again. And you can see the minimum contribution you can have. So if you are going for the private sale, you must contribute a minimum of $25,000 with a 30% bonus. And if you are going for the other pre-sale, that is 1,000, you get a 20% bonus for that. And you can see how much is going for the ICO and all the rest. But remember, the total calculation is 3 billion, and you can get whitelisted here. Now let's see the team members behind this. Gozo co-creators, Roy Laban, Zaid Nazan, and you can get more about them here. Just click on that and be able to see more about the team members here. It's called a community, and you can see the roadmap. They say the relationship with proven travel platform 2017, and all the rest you can find here on their platform. And you can see their partners here. Now you can see the white paper here. The white paper is static page, what put together, and I really encourage you to take your time to go through the white paper. It enables you to know more about the project, what it's going to offer you. You're going to be in the know. You'll be able to see the team members. Like for example, this is Dr. Roy Laban. You'll be able to know more about him, and that gives you the confidence to go ahead and get involved with the ICO. Now let me show you the Telegram. 20,279 is quite a community, and moreover, this ICO has not really started. The public sale has not started. Let me take you back here, and you can see. So October 1st to November 30th. This is still the private sale, the first private sale, and now they have 20,279, and imagine what this number will be when they get to the public sale. So that is something to think about. And here we can check the listener ranking. Let's see how many countries are getting involved from where. Mostly from Turkey, then from Egypt, from Bangladesh, from Russia, and from Belarus. getting involved with this ICO, more visitors from these countries. So this is my reviews about Gozo. I think this is a good project, a nice one, and I will leave the link below for you to go for it and go for it for the ICO. But do not forget, anything I've said in this video is strictly of my own personal opinion. Do not take it as a financial advice. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, but please before you go, subscribe and hit the like button. Goodbye.